Hey everyone, John Orlando from Epiq Solutions. We are down today in Huntsville at the Space and Rocket Center for an SDR Trends Workshop. Doing a bunch of demos, showing off some of the capabilities we have. One of the demos we're showing off is a small form factor direction finding system comprised of our Matchstick G40 SDR, the Alaris direction finding antenna, and the DeepSig OmniSig software. For more information on the system, I'm going to hand it over to Dr. Tim Newman to give us a little bit of an overview on OmniSig and what it's doing.
All right, thanks, John. So what we're showing here is our software that we develop at DeepSig called OmniSig. It's a signal classification and detection capability powered by machine learning neural networks. It runs on the Epiq G40, literally on the little computer in there. It uses the GPU that's inside there to accelerate the computing and perform the signal detection and classification very quickly on very wideband stream of data that's coming from the Epiq radio. We're also leveraging the Alaris antenna to not only help us detect and classify, but to provide an azimuth and elevation for all the signals of interest that we see. We can build capabilities with this just from the data of the signals of interest. This could be drones, this could be hopping signals, this could be IoT signals, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It's really up to the partner and the customer that we're working with to dictate the signals that they want to go after. And all of this fits in the palm of your hand is the beautiful part about this.
And for more information on small form factor software defined radios, hit us up at epicsolutions.com.